What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order using DSers and AliExpress. After watching this video, you'll have a clear understanding on how to fulfill your orders. I'll also show you how I keep on top of my finances on a daily basis for my dropshipping store. So let's say you get an order on Shopify and it appears like this. You do not need to click on any buttons here like fulfill item or request fulfillment. All you're doing on this order page is confirming the customer's details, like their shipping address, making sure they're not a fraudulent customer, and just checking their details. Once you do that, you basically just head over to DSers. Once you're on DSers, you want to navigate down to AliExpress, open orders. You don't need to search for your order because your orders will just appear here and you'll order them one by one. But just for this video, I'm just going to search for the order. If you don't see your orders here, it may be because you're on the wrong account on DSers or that you didn't import your products correctly. If you didn't import your products correctly on DSers to Shopify, then when someone places an order for that product, it will not appear on DSers. The second thing you want to do is go onto AliExpress and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, head back to DSers, and you also want to install the DSers Chrome application. Next, you want to click on order, and once that's appeared, you just want to click confirm. Once you click confirm, it will do its thing. You just sit back and watch. Successfully place one order, and then it will go into awaiting payment. That means you need to head over to AliExpress and then refresh your page, and then your order appears here. So now you just click pay now. You pay with your debit card which has your money on it, and then your supplier will fulfill your order, and once it's fulfilled, which usually takes 1 to 2 days, it will go to awaiting shipment and awaiting fulfillment and then fulfilled. Now when you press pay and you pay on AliExpress, your order may still sit in awaiting payment and there's nothing to worry about. It's just that the API from DSers to AliExpress is very slow and the system just hasn't updated yet. And that, guys, is how you fulfill an order using DSers. Very quick and very simple. It's literally like 1, 2, 3 clicks. And now what I usually do is when I click pay now, I find out the cost, so $41.52, click pay now, and then I go onto my Excel spreadsheet. Now this is a template that I've been working on. Basically it's just a finance template that you guys can use to track your cash flow, your finances, expenses, and everything to do with your business. And so what I'll do, I'll put my order ID here, country, date which is today, and then my revenue, let's just say it was £100. My fee is automatically worked out based on what Shopify and PayPal charges on an average basis. So I put 0.04 because PayPal does take more. And the cost of goods is what it was on AliExpress, which was like 45.21 or something. You can also see your markup here. And also this updates according to this. So let me delete all my revenue and all the cost of goods. You can see here it updates. So if I put £104, you see here. And cost of goods plus fees includes these two here. And then meta ads, let's just say you spent 20 on ads, and it basically works out. So you spent £20 on ads, you got £100 sales, plus £50 to fulfill, and then your profit for that is £33. And also, if you go to your expense tab, you can put all your expenses here. So Namecheap, your subscription for Shopify, and your Facebook ads. Of course, this is just a template and I'm just entering random numbers. And then it works out your profit margins and your net profit. At the beginning, you're going to be at a net loss, but over time, hopefully after optimizing your creatives, your product pages, you become profitable. And that's basically it with fulfilling orders. It's very simple, and DSers does not interfere with your fulfillment chain. And you can actually speak to your suppliers on AliExpress and work with them directly, get branded tags, branded packaging, all this good stuff. And this is why I always recommend you guys use DSers instead of like AutoDS, ZenDrop, CJ Dropshipping. And the reason why I don't recommend those is because they're essentially a middleman between you and your supplier, and they're also very costly. And that is about it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content, and peace.